Hi, car friends. Today we're going to be talking about catalytic converters. Well, actually, we're going to be talking about why do they get stolen. It's a real issue, and understanding it might help you protect your vehicle. So why steal a catalytic converter? Short answer, they're money makers. They contain very valuable precious metals. Thieves steal converters to sell them to metal recyclers for hundreds of dollars. And then those recyclers remove the metal and resell them for even more. Meanwhile, the poor victim, you, are likely needing to shell out $1,000 or more for a new converter. And thieves aren't careful when stealing. They can cause additional damage to your exhaust components, such as oxygen sensors, that might make your replacement costs go up even more. Some converters interest thieves more than others. Some truck and SUVs are easier to get under and tend to have larger converters like this one, making them targets. And how do you know if it got stolen? Well, once your vehicle starts, it's gonna have this deep, loud rumbling sound. Plus, your neighbors might complain about your new open exhaust. So let's talk about ways to prevent your catalytic converter from getting stolen. Park close to entrances and well-lit areas and open parking lots. If you need to park your car in an open lot, choose an area close to the main road and with plenty of foot traffic. And if you notice some cameras on the lot, park in their field of vision, because most thefts are executed in open parking lots at night. Now, if you park in a garage, make sure to shut and lock the doors. And if you're like me and you have tons of projects filling up your garage and you can't park in there, try parking closer to your house, because closer is safer. And you could even look into installing motion sensor lights. You can always put an alarm on your car, and that'll spook a cat burglar from stealing your cat converter. Meow. The loud noises can attract attention to your car and potentially stop the theft. You can pick one up at your local Autozone. Cameras can serve as a deterrent, or if the theft is carried out, they can aid in the investigation. Thieves are interested in speed, so anything you can do to make the vehicle harder to get under, that'll help protect it. If one side of your driveway has a retaining wall or some bushes, park your vehicle as close to that side to make it harder to get under. Parking vehicles close together can also limit their access. I know it's not a fun topic, but hopefully these tips can help you avoid running into some issues. For more helpful advice on vehicle maintenance, check out our channel. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.